Once upon a time, in a small village, lived a young boy named Bilal. He was kind and curious, but often made quick decisions without thinking. One day, he decided to leave home and travel to a big city in search of work and adventure. As Bilal walked along the dusty road, he met an old wise man sitting under a large tree. The man had a long white beard and kind eyes. Seeing Bilal's enthusiasm, the wise man smiled and said, "Young boy, before you go, let me give you 3 pieces of advice. They will help you in life more than gold and silver." Bilal, eager to learn, nodded respectfully. The 3 golden advices: 1. Never be quick to judge Bilal. Thanked the old man and continued his journey. After walking for hours, he reached a village where he saw a man grabbing another man's shirt and shaking him angrily. "That man is attacking someone! I must stop him!" Bilal thought. He picked up a stick and rushed toward them, but just before he acted, he remembered the first advice: never be quick to judge. So instead of interfering, he stopped and observed carefully. To his surprise, he realized the angry man was actually trying to wake up his friend, who had fainted. The attacker was really helping the other man by calling for water and medical help. Bilal sighed in relief, thinking, "I almost made a mistake. I should always understand the full story before judging someone." Always speak the truth. Bilal continued his journey and finally reached a big city. He found work at a bakery, where the kind owner asked him to deliver a bag of money to another shop. As he walked through the market, Bilal saw a group of boys playing. Curious, he stopped to watch them, setting the money bag beside him. Suddenly, a man ran past and snatched the bag. Bilal was shocked. When he returned to the bakery, he felt scared. What if I tell the truth and get punished? Should I lie? Then he remembered the second advice: always speak the truth. With a deep breath, he told the bakery owner everything. Instead of being angry, the owner smiled and said, "You are honest, and Allah rewards those who speak the truth. I will not punish you." Just then, a policeman arrived with the thief. The stolen money was returned, and the bakery owner praised Bilal's honesty. "If I had lied, I would have lost trust forever," Bilal thought. 3. Trust in Allah's plan. After some time, Bilal decided to return home. On his way, he got lost in a dark forest. The sun had set, and he felt cold and afraid. He had little food and no idea which way to go. He almost panicked, but then remembered the third advice: trust in Allah's plan. Bilal sat down, made dua, prayer, and said, "Ya Allah, guide me to the right path." Moments later, he saw a light shining through the trees. He followed it and found a small house where a kind farmer welcomed him. The next morning, the farmer showed Bilal the way home. Bilal smiled, realizing Allah always helps those who trust in him. The lesson. When Bilal finally reached his village, he rushed to tell his family the story. He had left home to seek riches, but instead, he found wisdom, more valuable than gold. Lesson for kids. Think before judging others. Always tell the truth. Trust in Allah in all situations. As the Quran says, "And whoever relies upon Allah, then He is sufficient for him." Surah At-Talaq 65:3. Bilal smiled, knowing that these 3 pieces of advice had changed his life forever.